Unit 19. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 4. On April 13, 1961, proud Soviet citizens and anxious Americans awoke to the news that the first human being had flown to outer space the day before. It was a test flight which had been prepared under the leadership of Sergei Korolev. People were very surprised and they could hardly believe that a man could fly to outer space. But he had already circled around the Earth in Vostok 1 in 108 minutes. People were eager to meet the first cosmonaut. Gagarin's flight brought worldwide fame and international prestige to his country. Then on June 16, 1963, the first cosmonaut among women flew into space. It was Valentina Tereshkova. German Titov was also in that spaceship, and it was his first flight too. Nowadays, these cosmonauts have been known not only in Russia, but also all over the world. They are the pride of all the people living in the world.